Get into the 2021 BMW 2 Series. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 60,000 miles on the odometer. The muscular 2 Series delivers motorsport performance, refined luxury, and technology to keep you safe and connected. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: navigation system, keyless entry, power passenger seat, heated mirrors, fog lamps, satellite radio, backup camera, power driver seat, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels. Let the world know who you are. Get behind the wheel of the 2 Series.